Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to fix unusual network or device environment in WeChat. So let's start. So first let's log in our WeChat or sign up. Just let's sign up and I would select via Facebook. Now let's wait until WeChat connect to our Facebook. Let's press continue. And then we have to select the country. In this case, I will select mine. And then let's select phone number. And then let's select a password to verify your account on WeChat. And well, now the security verification method is different. You can verify by payment card, or you can verify by QR by another user, or verify by Wix Pay. So for this, well, you need another user that use WeChat no more than 6 months, or by payment card to complete it. So now it's not by phone number or SMS. Now it's easier. So you can select one of these and just complete the field, and now you can register on WeChat without any problem. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.